Introducing a new look Firefly for 2022. One of the challenges of teaching is supporting students with diverse abilities and needs, cultural backgrounds, experiences, and learning styles. Technology can go a long way in helping teachers in this regard, but we need to be careful that the technology itself does not introduce further barriers for those students in need of the most support. When designing technology, it is easy to fall into the trap of designing for our own abilities and experiences. This leads us to design tools and platforms which are heavily influenced by our own physical ability, language ability, learning style, and level of tech literacy. However, when we are using technology, our interactions depend primarily on what we can see, hear, say, and touch. And assuming all those senses are fully available at all times has the potential to exclude people. Aquabotix Endura 100. Explore the world beneath the water's surface without getting wet, using the Aquabotix Endura 100 Mini ROV. It's a submersible, remote-controlled vehicle that sends a live full HD 1080/24p video feed to the surface and is also capable of video recording and photo capture. This is the base configuration of the ROV, which can be used for studying marine life and environments and checking water supplies, tanks, and the undersides of boats. It can even be employed in search and recovery missions. Various options can be added on to enhance the ROV's capabilities and improve its usefulness in different applications. Spyker Workshop 3D Printed Snowcat. As roads get covered in feet of snow, transport is severely affected. It becomes impossible to drive, or even walking becomes a challenge, until large expensive machines are employed by the government to clear the snow. Until then, people have to manually shovel the snow covering their driveways. The Spyker Snowblower 2X in all its glory, featuring two 8x14 high snow clearing capabilities. An all-new custom-designed slip ring system to allow the spout elevation servo uninterrupted 360-degree spinning power, meaning blow the snow anywhere. Also a set of drift cutters to be able to clear the edges of driveways up to 2.0. The snowblower is almost entirely made of plastic and powered by 6 12-volt batteries. Butler can raise and lower the plow, change the direction of the chute, and drive the plow over almost any winter terrain. Equipped with an auger, chute, scoop, and mini tracks, it tackles snowy driveways while the operator sits in the comfort of their own living room. Chasing F1 Fish Finder Drone. This fish finder drone can be operated by the app on your smartphone. The Wi-Fi range is about 30 meters. You can sail with the F1 and explore underwater by lowering the camera from F1 and see where the most fish are. At this place you can open the bottom off the bait boat and drop the fish a bait. This is now you know the right place to put your fishing rod in the water. The Sony IMX307 stellar camera sensor is equipped with infrared light. The visual range can reach out to 1 meter. The F1 has a built-in automatic reel, adjustable angle, and can be lowered to a maximum depth of 28 meters. The drone has a vector layout propulsion system with 4 thrusters, which can achieve multiple freedom motion. The all-directional horizontal movements controlled through app make finding fish faster and more accurately. Trike. This is the world seen by a delivery robot that plans to compete with its Yandex counterpart. So far the project is being developed, so not much is known about the technical characteristics. It weighs 75 pounds, has a 75-pound payload, and a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour. The plan is to charge $3 for delivery, and the designers claim that the robot will get anywhere in town. But it looks small, like it's optimized for bike paths or highways. Do you think it'll make it to your house? Meet HELIOS, an automated solar panel cleaning system. To maintain peak efficiency, solar cells must be regularly cleaned of dust and other accumulated dirt. However, many panels are installed in high or hard-to-reach locations, which makes cleaning them difficult, time-consuming, and also simply dangerous. One solution is to use aerial drones to spray soapy water on dirty solar panels. However, these drones often run out of battery quite quickly. In addition, they also do not make direct contact with the panels, so they may not completely wash away dirt. To solve these problems, a Belgian startup, Parrot Robotics, has developed HELIOS, an automated cleaning service for solar panels. It's a fully autonomous system that can access difficult-to-reach places and eliminates dangerous and costly work. Parrot Mambo FPV review. The new Mambo is a small, fun and easy-to-fly racing drone for beginners. The Parrot Mambo FPV is a lot like the Parrot Mambos that have come before it. It's a small plastic drone that's intuitive to fly and lots of fun. It can be flown using your smartphone. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, and it supports modular accessories, and it's those accessories that set this latest Mambo apart from similar drones. The previous iteration came with a pellet gun and a grabbing arm, which, while amusing, felt a little gimmicky. This new model's bolt-on attachment, however, is a HD camera that can shoot 720p resolution video and stream the footage to Parrot's first-person view (FPV) headset, so you see what the drone sees as it flies. This minor addition is a major shift for the little drone, as it effectively turns the Mambo into an entry-level racing drone. SwagBot autonomous robot raises $6.5 million for imminent release. The Ageris SwagBot farm robot started out as remote-controlled in 2016, but has now elevated to autonomous farm robot status following an $6.5 million grant to take into every local paddock in 2020. Then the world. The fully autonomous SwagBot is expected to be capable of identifying and eradicating weeds while monitoring pastures and crops. And this is one you weren't expecting. Also be capable of herding cattle by itself, saving on tons of dog food. The company behind SwagBot is Ageris. Headed by Professor Sulla Sukkari, this robotic startup is using technology created by the University of Sydney's Australian Centre for Field Robotics. The $6.5 million raised has set it on its course to commercialize robotics platforms, intelligent automated tools, and artificial intelligence. Conveyorbot software. The quickest and easiest way to set up a route is to stick fiducial markers on the floor that tell the robot where to go, without any programming. Breadcrumb software makes it possible. You can design routes of different complexities. In its simplest form, you can just put down go markers and the robot will follow them, a bit like a breadcrumb trail, until it sees a stop marker. The markers look like this. If you want your routes to be more sophisticated, you can use turn markers to quickly set up flexible, user-selectable branching routes that can directly reach any part of your operating area. Our standard offer includes a total of 4 types of fiducial markers. Mototok Alligator. The all-new Alligator series. Extremely flat, extremely flexible. New nose gear clamping mechanism. With the Mototok Alligator, you get a machine that has a completely newly developed mechanism to lift the nose wheel of a helicopter or aircraft. This mechanism allows a safe and smooth clamping of the nose wheel at an incredibly low height. The lifting platform of the Mototok Alligator is only 200 millimeters high. Thus, the Alligator fits under virtually any aircraft regardless of which equipment such as FLIR, radar, antennas, or similar is installed. The Mototok Alligator is operated exactly as you may know it from our previous Spacer, Twin, and M models. With the help of the radio remote control, you move the tug up to the nose wheel F the aircraft. The automatic charging process is started by simply pressing a button on the remote control.